So this right here is one of my Christmas presents, which arrived late, which is an Airmoto smart air pump for my car. And this is model BP198, and this has an LED display, auto shut off, preset pressure, a long battery life, and this can be used to inflate balls, motorcycles, mountain bike, road bikes, and cars. So right here is just lets you know some of the features. Right here, various stuff. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's unbox this. So I believe you open it up like this. That's not how you open. Okay, that would have been nice to know before I destroy this, but oh well. Smart user manual. Then right here we get the actual air hose itself, which is really cool. Oh my, this thing is cold. To be fair, I should not be surprised. Let's see if this thing powers on. And yes, this thing does power on. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. So right here we get a little portable carrying case. Oh, for the... Oh, this right here is actually for the Airmoto. Okay, that's pretty cool. And right here you have a couple of accessories alongside a USB-C to USB-A cable, which is pretty cool overall. So, as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes Fanboy, and as always, peace out.